In the fast-paced world of bottling and packaging, efficiency is key. These industries face challenges like machine downtime, electrical failures, and frequent maintenance interruptions. Conventional wiring solutions often fall short, leading to inefficiencies. But have you ever wondered what keeps these high-speed machines running seamlessly? The answer lies in an essential component: slip rings. Slip rings play a crucial role in transferring power and signals from stationary to rotating parts, ensuring uninterrupted operations. Kuebler offers a wide range of high-performance slip rings designed for demanding industrial applications, ensuring your packaging and bottling lines operate at peak efficiency. Kuebler slip rings offer service life of up to 500 million revolutions, ensures high reliability with minimal maintenance, reducing machine downtime. With a high-speed industrial Ethernet transmission up to 1 gigabit per second, ensure durable and efficient performance in modern automation systems. Bottling and packaging industries rely on slip rings for smooth and uninterrupted production. Upgrade your packaging and bottling plant efficiency with advanced slip ring technology. Contact us today.